Thank you for joining me again as we begin to prepare our Christmas tree wooden shaped forms with the keys. So just give you an idea, some of these keys are going to be shiny because they're unused keys, but some of them have been used. And if you do have a collection or a large amount of keys that perhaps have been discarded and used, you may want to be able to clean them up a bit before you put them on the tree, or maybe you won't. But if you do, what you can do to get the keys sort of shiny again is to place them in equal parts of water and vinegar, and then let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then dry them off, and then they'll be ready to place on your board. So if you have shiny keys already, you can skip that step and just place the keys on like so. So basically, we have these two shapes which are the same, and so as a pre-pattern ideal of what the tree was going to look like, these keys on this side have been just placed. And so now I'm going to go ahead and begin to transfer the keys that are on here. I'm going to glue them right in place, and then I'll glue these and add keys to be able to build up this outside. So since these keys are already in place, I'm going to go ahead and start, and I'll start here at the base by adding the base and gluing that in position. And I also have my glue sticks, which I'll need to keep close by to add more glue sticks as we go. And so based on that, we'll go ahead and start gluing. And a lot of times when you're using this glue gun, you need to move really fast, so you're not going to be, because once the glue goes down, the metal keys and anything metal, they readily stick to the surface. So I'm going to just go ahead and finish gluing this down over the... As you can see, I have two forms of Christmas tree patterns here. One of them, I've already gently set the keys in place so I can get an idea of how many keys I'm going to need. And I've also interspaced, put some crystals or rhinestones, some colorful rhinestones to simulate that of beads. On the second Christmas tree form, I've sprayed the form with some of the multi-purpose Elmer's adhesive spray, just so I could get these keys sort of stuck in place to be able to build around to add some depth to the structure. Now, these are little rings on which you would normally place keys. So we're going to place some of these key rings throughout this form and add keys on top of them so they can give an illusion of depth. So and here's the finished key tree. I'm so happy with how it came out. Hopefully you'll be able to make you a key tree as well, and to enjoy the nice display that it makes for Christmas time with all the nostalgic keys from past years and past times. It should bring back lots of memories, not only for Christmas, but when the keys used to open up something.